We'll take some examples to establish how MNCs are different from some of the other kinds of companies and to better understand what we mean by MNCs through some examples. These are examples of some of the multinational companies that we see which are operating. You see IBM, Accenture, Microsoft, a lot of software related companies originating from the United States, now operating globally, and we see their presence, we see their offices in India. They have uh, employees in India who are Indians, they have offices in India, they have infrastructure in India, they have development offices in India. So those are some examples of MNC software MNCs which are operating in India. And similarly, they have presence in various other countries. Nokia is another example of a Finnish company. It's a mobile manufacturer which has presence globally and also has presence in India. So they have manufacturing in India, they have entire sales network in India. Then we have Nike as another interesting example of another global MNC where they have their manufacturing across the world. A lot of it is present in Bangladesh, where their products are being manufactured, and from there they are distributed and sold right across the world. Nike, Reebok, Sony, another example of a Japanese company. TCS is an example of an Indian MNC which is headquartered in India and has provided services across the world in different countries and customizes their offerings to different countries. So these are some examples of MNCs, and just to see the presence of TCS, what you see here, these yellow dots are where TCS is present. Obviously, there's a lot of presence in India, but what you see is a lot of South America, North America, a lot of presence in Europe, South Korea, Japan, Thailand. So that, even in Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, around Argentina, Peru. So that's how an example that you can look at it from a perspective of a multinational company.